It's Neil here at Toolstop TV. So today I've got Paul from Metabo with me. He's come in today to show us this SXE 450 sander. It's a dual orbit sander, and that means that we could, with the use of this button here, we can change it from a 6.2mm orbit to a 2.8mm orbit, which means that you can do some heavy duty sanding, but with the 2.8 you can do some lighter duty work, also some polishing as well. So some features, you've got this dust box on, it's got a removable filter in there which can be cleaned. You've also got a variable speed, electronic speed control up here, just on the dial at the top here. And you've also got this turbo switch, which, as somebody said earlier, takes the elbow, gives you the elbow grease without having to put the elbow grease in yourself. It basically just gives you that extra bit of oomph from the motor onto your bit of wood or whatever material you're sanding. So we're going to get Paul to demonstrate this on this really shabby old pallet. He's going to take off this kind of rough stock on the top, and then he's going to put it into the 2.8mm orbit and really finish it off quite nicely. So let's see that in action, Paul. Well done, Paul. That in a couple of minutes, without using too many bits of sandpaper, because what you can often find is you need to go through various grit to get to this level of finish. Now that feels to me like putting my hand across a piece of glass, really smooth, and that was used with just 3 pieces of sandpaper. Probably could have done it with less, but that's because of this great feature, which is the dual orbit feature. And at the same time we had the dust extractor on, the ASR 2025, great machine, there's hardly any dust about, as you can see, nothing at all. A great finish from the SXE